Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. So let's begin. So starting in a low lunge, we'll lift up the left foot, placing it in front of the body, and we'll move through some vinyasas. So taking an inhale, reaching the arms up, exhale, reach back, send the hips back into half split. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, move back. So we'll just move through these two poses, moving with your breath at a pace that feels comfortable for you. And then one more time, slowly coming back into low lunge. We'll lift up the back knee, coming into a high lunge, and feeling the front of the right hip gently working. If this is too much, you can always stay down with the knee on the ground. A few more breaths. Gently release, dropping the right knee down towards the mat. Interlocking the fingers, gently press the hands against the left thigh. Shoulders stay relaxed. Gently easing the body forwards. Slowly breathe. And moving into half split, sending the hips back, keeping the left knee slightly bent. Feel free to use some blocks to assist with balance. Keeping the spine neutral. We want to feel nice and relaxed in this pose, not forcing or pushing. Gently release, coming forwards. Move into a deeper quad stretch, so bending the right knee, reaching back with the right hand, and just gently pulling the leg in towards the body. Just moving as far that feels available for you. This one can be quite intense, so if it's too much, you can always release the leg. Slowly release, and then when you're ready, moving into downward dog, slowly paddle through the legs. And then stepping the right foot forwards, coming into your low lunge, and moving through some vinyasas. So inhaling, reach up, exhale, reach down, moving into half split. And then one more time, reach up, and exhale, reach down. And coming into a lower lunge, we'll lift up the back knee. So moving into a high lunge, keeping the entire body nice and strong. Just a few more breaths. Gently release, dropping the left knee down, interlock the fingers, press them against the thigh. Taking a few deep breaths, feeling the left hip flexors nicely open up. Moving into a counter stretch now. Send the hips back into half split. Spine is nice and neutral. Slowly release, coming forwards. We'll move into a quad stretch or reaching back with the left hand, bending the left knee. Seeing if you can pull the foot in towards the body. Moving at your own pace. With your breath. Gently release. And thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so grateful you're here. I really hope to see you again.